Hey guys, Nachi here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited to do my beauty studio tour, but we have to start at the dough. So if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on my face, and let's just get into it. So once you come in, the first thing you see is my manifestation and affirmation wall. These are probably gonna be blurred out just because I believe in protecting that energy, you know, don't let the bad vibes in, so they're gonna be blocked out. But basically, I like to keep them at the door because one, every time I come in and out of my studio, I'm kind of acknowledging that this is what I'm working toward. So now we're right by my closet. So what we decided when we moved in here was Tyler would get the closet in the bedroom, and this would be my closet. And there'll be like a pan shot up and down. The reason why we did this is because I'm going to be in here anyways, and especially for filming, sometimes it's just easier to like grab clothes, change into something, and you know, change a vibe, film another video. It's just easier for me that way. Originally my dresser was supposed to be in here as well, but that ended up being in the bedroom. It doesn't fit right now. So as we go through the room, you'll see that there are certain things that I'm working on improving in my beauty studio because I just like couldn't get it all done at once. So all my hangables are in the closet. I also have my bigger bags on the top shelf and some of my shoes on the floor. My shoes are spread out. I have obviously shoes everywhere. Everyone has shoes everywhere. Shoes everywhere. I have shoes that I wear more often, so they're closer to the door or in the upstairs closet. Things like even like sandals are not even down here because it's just not practical. So I have shoes upstairs, but these are just kind of like the shoes I haven't worn in a while, and they fit in here. And let's move on to the bookshelf. So this is my bookshelf. It's also the backdrop that you guys see when I'm filming as we make our way around the room. Best way that I sorted it was I was like, at first I had books everywhere, and then I was like, you know what? Let's make like one section super beauty oriented, and then the other section like all my books because I love books. So over here we have drafts and rose gold. Actually, the whole theme for the bookshelf is rose gold. The whole theme for the room was supposed to be rose gold, but you'll see I kind of changed my mind halfway through. I have drafts and I love rose gold. These prints I got at Chapters. This lamp I got at Struck Tube. And it actually works. I just never turn it on because it doesn't make sense to have lighting like behind me when I'm filming, but it works. It's super cute. Again, these prints I got at Chapters. This one says, conquer the world, never stop exploring, now is your time, embrace possibility, follow your heart, make magic happen, escape the ordinary, do what you love, adventures out there, make yourself proud, shoot for the stars. So I feel like that's what I am doing here. So I need to have that energy. Again, the whole room is about energy, positive vibes. So I had to have something like that in here. I have a little love globe that again, I got from Chapters. I live in there. And my Fenty Beauty Body Lava, my little mini. And then a picture of my mom and my godmother when they were like hottie toddies. This is like probably right after she had me. So I'm like, it's just a cute picture, and it gives me, again, love, good vibes. So all my books, I'm not gonna get into all of them. These are probably not even all my books because I like to loan and share books. So a lot of them are not even here still. So yeah, I love to read. As you guys know, we have Nachi Reads on my channel every couple months, and we do a nice book review. The focus right now in 2020 is Black authors. So it's probably gonna continue to 2021, but if you're interested in that, I'll link like a playlist or something over here so you can check that out. So for my beauty corner, I have like the books that I plan on reading next ready. My perfume, This Plant Is Real, some makeup brushes, and a cup that says I did not wake up like this on it. These are all my bags. Most of them are from Shein, so they're super cheap. I just think they're like a cute little touch in the background, a nice little, how you say, pop of color. And then some heels, just some cute heels to leave out. Add to the vibes. This plant is real. She's growing and sprouting. She's doing the damn thing. So then, here's my mirror. I got her from IKEA. This is like one of the biggest ones they carry, and it was only like 100 and something bucks. I feel like this is a pretty damn good deal for a mirror. These rugs are from HomeSense or TJ Maxx if you're in the States, and they were like 30 bucks. We move on to art. So one of my paintings fell. So I'm gonna show you guys how I hang the art in my room. The reason why it fell is because I didn't have enough grips, but I'll explain that in a second. So we are renting. So to not put a bunch of holes in walls that we don't own. My mother-in-law and sister-in-law recommended these like Velcro adhesives, which I think are pretty cool. The problem is I just didn't have enough to hang this painting, and technically these have like lost their stick. But this painting has to go up. We're calling her Miss Coco. Miss Coco needs to go the hell up. And this is what I knew when I changed my mind, and I was like, you know what, let's just do metallics in the room, like black, white, rose gold, gold. I don't think I'll ever get silver because I'm not really a big silver fan, but I really like the rose gold over there. And then I think as time goes on, I might introduce more gold because I really, really love this. I'm gonna hang this up and then I'll talk about where I got my art. They're called these, I don't know what it's called, command strips. Damage-free hanging. So yeah, you just have to separate them all, and then you kind of just like squish them together till you hear a snap. And then you remove one side to make it sticky, and you put it where you want it. So then you remove the remaining liners once they're all on where you want them so that it's ready to be hung. You're gonna get all the sticky sides out, and then you're just gonna hang it where you want it. In this case, I kind of want it lined up with that one over there. And you just gotta press in for 30 seconds and hold it. So after this step, you're supposed to take off the painting and press on each individual sticky thing to make sure that it's stuck there. But we're just gonna wrap up filming and then I'm gonna do that after. These two are from like HomeSense or TJ Maxx if you're from the States, and then these two are from Chapters or Kohl's. But I thought they're like a good vibe, like just like Black Girl Magic. This one says keep it together, and then this one says go the extra mile. Again, motivational stuff in here. It's a creative, like, I believe in like the power of the tongue. The words you say and the things that you surround yourself with like definitely impact where you go, how you see yourself, your energy. So to me, it's all good vibes in here if you can't already tell. So this is where I store most of my makeup. This is like an Alex drawer situation from IKEA. I have my current wig of the month resting. How I have my drawers organized: top drawer is mostly junk and jewelry, sunglasses, and then the rest are kind of sorted like how you do your face. So top drawer is mostly eyes, lashes, a mess, eyeliners, and then just like extra tools like scissors, what is this called? Sharpener, eyelash curler. Then we have like face. So I just did my makeup, so it's honestly a mess. It's actually usually a mess, so I'm not even gonna lie. But like highlighters, foundation, primers, setting sprays, more highlighters, blush, bronzers, that's all in here. Then we have eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, lip glosses, lipsticks, lip glosses, lipsticks, lip glosses. And then the rest is like hair products, not even hair products, hair tools. Yeah, just like really simply put, hair tools. And then this is like my junk drawer. So like my essential oils, any packaging that I'm really attached to. I have a painting of SZA that I need a frame for. I can't find one big enough. And my Christmas lights. I'm gonna talk about my desk. So this is where I sit and film. I have my agenda with my filming schedule. All my makeup brushes are always usually out. Paper towel, my cellar water, that's like non-negotiable for me because I'm always making a mess or a mistake. A mirror, my 2 shadow boxes, and then my camera usually goes in the middle on my tripod. And then just like nail stuff, my blow dryer usually is plugged in just because it's easier for wigs and situations. And that stays over there. And then down here, there's more storage in my desk. I actually really like love this desk. A lot of the stuff over here is like just ancillary, let's call it that. And then over here, I treat this like a mailbox. So I have a haul coming up. So to keep it as first impressions as possible, I kind of just like shove the stuff here. And then in these drawers, I have like my beauty blenders that need washing clearly, extra face masks, cotton rounds. And then here I have like all my filming extra stuff. So any cords I might need, chargers, tripods, stuff like that. Also, just really quick note, most of the furniture I made sure was easy to clean, especially having to do makeup all the time. The desk has a couple stains, so I don't recommend anything that's this like smooth, super shiny. finish. It looks good, but it stains. Like there's a couple things, I have no idea what I used and why it won't come out, but it just doesn't come out. The IKEA stuff, and I think that's why a lot of YouTubers use it, is because I haven't had anything stain it yet. I've dyed a wig on there and I haven't had anything stain it yet, so. And then we're gonna move over to my problematic corner. It's trash. So this stuff is all of my hair stuff, my wigs, my nail stuff, and this is the corner that clearly needs the most work in all of my studio room situation. COVID got me out of decorating mode, so I really haven't even thought of a plan for how I want to tackle this. I think I'm going to aim for, like, if I could get what my makeup is in, but with bigger drawers, that's what I want. Because if you think about hair products, they're usually bulkier, my wigs, accessories, like they just need more space. That or something like the bookshelves, and then I get bins and put things in the bins and then put the bins on the bookshelf. So that's what I'm thinking for here. Hopefully I can put in like images of what I'm talking about, but this corner is like such an eyesore. I hate it. Like I actually hate it. Wow. So now we're back where we started. On the back of my door I have two things written. Procrastination is the arrogant assumption that God owes you another opportunity to do what you have to do, which basically just tells me while I'm in here, get your shit together. That to me, when I thought about it that way, I was like, no girl, no more procrastination for you. It's over, that's canceled. And then the second one is the day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit. And I saw that, both of these I saw recently, like in the last week or so. And I thought they were perfect for me. And the reason why is because especially with social media growth and doing something that's such a creative endeavor, it's a lot of times it's like we do something or we create something and we expect it to pop, we expect it to hit. And when it doesn't hit, we're really hard on ourselves. And I don't think that that's fair because a lot of the stuff that we have made is stuff that has to be shared. So it takes time for it to grow and it takes time for it to be sent to other people. So patience is a virtue that I am learning, and I'm learning to be proud of everything that I put out into the universe, even small videos like this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for my junky ass corner. And let me know if you like my room. And as always, subscribe to me. It doesn't pay my bills yet, but it will one day. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. You ain't gotta go home, but you gotta get the hell up out of here.